Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty and easy Swahili pilau. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's recipe, you will need boiled meat. I used half a kg of lamb meat, or you can use any meat that you like. I boiled the meat using some water, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and I squeezed half a lime. You will also need 2 large sliced onions, 1 sliced carrots, different types of bell pepper chopped, a 1/4 cup of green peas. You'll also need mixed pilau spices. I have some cumin, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 large chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon of beef masala, 1 1/4 glass of basmati rice washed, and lastly you will need a 1/4 cup of oil. On a medium-large pot, add a 1/4 cup of oil. Let the oil heat up and add some onions. And cook the onions till golden brown. Once the onions start turning color, you will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and give a quick mix. Then add the pilau spices, which is cumin seeds, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon, and continue stirring for at least a minute. After a minute, you're going to add the boiled meat. Like I said, I used some lamb meat, but you can use any meat that you like. And give a quick mix. And let the meat to cook for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of beef masala, optional if you don't have. Then sprinkle a bit of salt and continue stirring for another 30 seconds. Then you're going to add some vegetables, which are green peas, sliced carrots, chopped bell peppers and 1 tomato, and give a quick mix and let the vegetables to cook till soft. Once you get to see your vegetables are soft, open and give a quick mix. Then I will add the lamb soup. I will get 3/4 glass of lamb soup. And I will add more water, which is 1 glass and 1/4. In total will be 2 glasses, and give a quick mix, then cover to let the water boil. Once the water starts to boil like this, I will add 1 1/4 glass of washed basmati rice and stir everything well, then cover to let the pilau cook in a medium heat till the water is less. Once the water has reduced like this, stir once more and cover, then reduce the heat to a medium-low heat and let it cook for another 7 to 10 minutes till the pilau is well cooked and the water is completely absorbed. And after 7 to 10 minutes, my pilau is ready. As you can see in the video, the water is completely absorbed and the pilau looks very good. I will mix it before serving it on a plate. I will serve my pilau on a plate so you can able to see how the pilau looks and how well cooked it is. This is really, really, really delicious. And my Swahili pilau is ready. As you can see in the video, we usually eat along with some chili, some salad, and a piece of banana and enjoy your pilau. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of rice, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.